Hey guys, it's the Techie Boy Gamer back with another new video, and today we are going to be playing more of some TFS, and I am going to be trying to land all planes with no landing gear. So let's press play free flight, and there's some planes that I haven't bought yet. I haven't bought the C-130, the CHC-130. The RL-42, MC-400, and the HC-400. So let's. Sorry. So I don't know. Let's press this. Get this 600. 400 very cheap, and the last one I kind of made my calculations wrong. 800. I don't want any of this. Hurry up. Finally. So guys, let me finish up all these ads and I'll be back. So guys, I have officially unlocked all the airplanes. Yeah, so let's start. Let's press this use to start. And start. So I'm going to attempt landing with this plane with no landing gear. So we'll have to be like at a speed of 130 to achieve what we want. So let's go. Oh, I think I kind of did that too early.
Stall. Terrain. Stall. Full. Stall. Systems. Damage. Stall. Stall. Systems. Damage.
It kind of landed. That's kind of a land. It's kind of a land. This is kind of a land, but it is a land, but let's just say it's a failure. So like let's get closer to where we are landing, or else we're gonna stall in the air. Yeah, now this is the right spot. Let's go. We're braking. Yeah. So we're going down. So yes, mission accomplished. We landed perfectly with no big deal. Mission 1 accomplished. So let's quit. Now let's take another plane. Why? Thank you. 7 ad packs left. And now let's press use to start. Let's say approaching. Yeah, start. Oh, I think there's not that much space at the other places, but we just have to land them. Oh, sorry, we have to turn off all engines. Break. If we don't make this, we're gonna go to the all the way to the other side. So let's go. Let's go. Please work.
Stall. Warning.
Don't flip. Yes, it didn't flip. Oh my god. Bro. What are those? Bro. I have a stupid idea now. Time to make everything go in flames. We're gonna hit this. I'm hitting. Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hit it at the back. Bro. Did I really damage it? Oh. It's actually holding the plane. Remote, let's change. PV40. Oh yeah, this was going to the other island. C1 dot, yeah, the C1 dot. Let's hit it with this one. Oh, my terrible piloting skills. Oh yes. I'm trying to aim it. I never realized this. Ooh. This one is really sinking. Yeah, so let's exit and let's restart again and not restart, quit. And let's get another, what do you call it again? Another plane, yeah. Bro. I didn't sign. Okay, why? Okay, this is wanted. I signed up for this. I bought the 1500 for 8 packs of ads. So this game doesn't have that much ads until you activate them like I did. But now looks like Won't have to activate them again after I get the chaffs and flares. 6 packs of that left. That's great. And then my next plane is now the MC400. So let's say use to start approaching runway 06. Approaching. So let's land. Bro, like move. So let's go. Yes, successfully landed. Oh, looks like this is the one that has those chaffs and flares, but you have to activate them first. So plane 2 successful. There's the plane that I use, and I think they're gonna hit each other. Oh, the AI stopped it. So
Hi guys, I've just found out this game where we can fight with countries. Let's prepare.
bruh.
Oh my god, they are all strong countries. But I must not give up. I can do this. Look, my country is expanding.
Ugh.
I'm winning this. Haha.
Mission complete. Country balls.
So oh, I'm only allowed to have one. So yeah, only those. Yeah, next. 5 ad packs left. Yes, this one. This one. Use the starts. Approaching. Let's make it fly. Speed. Faster than anything. The new. Let's see. This. Now. A private jet is approaching. It's in game. This one is the best because it simulates what would happen in real life if something went wrong. Please, just see me. Can't you just see? Don't blow up. Sir. Looks like I have to restart again. At least that plane was lucky it didn't get blown up. Let's go. Okay, All components off. Oh, approaching. Oh no. 318.
Warning.
Please don't blow up. Yay! Mission accomplished. Bro, and the thing is still saying taxi. Like, didn't you already realize that the taxi is over? That I don't have landing gears? Didn't realize that, so let's switch to in person. Below the hatch open. Below every door open. Everything. Bang. Ejected. Bruh. And you safely get out of your plane. Bruh. This is what would happen in real life. In IRL. So quit again. Now I have to bring this guy inside the fire. Whee! Finally. 4 ad packs left. Then use to start again. Runway. Approaching runway 15. And this is the plane that I think I landed it in one of my shots. Yeah, this is the plane that I think I landed it on one of my shots. Let's land it again. So I know I have the experience with this plane. Oh. So let's go. We can't just land. And I think we're gonna hit the other plane again like in the last video. Or the plane is gonna be... No, we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. I'm about to land it. 200. Can I get the 10? We're going too fast. We're not gonna make it. Oh, we made it. Is this plane gonna now clip my wing? Or it's just gonna tell itself to stop? Yep, finally, today it told itself to stop. Last time I had to escape. Oh, the hatch actually fell in. Not outside. That's strange. So passengers, get out. Okay, get out. Ejected. I say you guys get out. I saved your life. Now let's quit. Once again. Finally. Now, the next is this one. Use to start. Approaching. Parked on Aaron 1. Yeah, now. You're supposed to be approaching runway 15. Oh, sorry. Slow, fast enough. At least I gave him time to, but he can't quit now. Sorry. Oh. Warning. Wait, it's not gonna work. It's gonna work. And we're gonna hit it again. Why? How could you? Wait, my plane is not damaged. Bro, my plane isn't damaged. This is the plane that's damaged. Why did I die? I think the game just glitched. So, let's just consider that as a... Oh. And why are my landing gears out? I didn't use my landing gears. So, I think I should restart. But let's just consider that as a... Let's say... yeah. Let's just continue. Let's restart again. Let's consider that as a fail. Now. Go down. We don't need you. No! Now I have to go all around again. I'm gonna use... yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to turn around here. Don't hit me, don't hit me. Yep, I successfully got unhitted. I wasn't hit by anything. I think we're stalling. Yeah, we're stalling. Great. Once again, he failed. I have to restart. I think like this is the hardest because the other plane is in front of me. Go. Pilot, sorry. Approach. It's not a must we land on the runway. We can do this different today. But we must land next to the airport. Yes. We're gonna make it. Yeah, we might destroy that. But we're still good. We can escape. It's now safe for everyone to escape. Ejected. Yes. Mission accomplished. Wait, I kind of forgot. Turn that engine off. Yeah, now. Next. Plane. Do I have to watch an ad? Sorry guys, today's video is so long. That we are not even halfway. Like we have to go through the PVX40, this one, the new one, this one. How many left? 8 left. So occupied. Who occupied? Approaching. Then let's do this. Let's do that. Let's go to main approaching. Bro. Oh, this is the plane that I had last. Yes, approaching. Let's go. Oh, bruh. Oh, no, we're not supposed to do that. We're not gonna make it. No, don't start tilting. No, stop tilting. We're not gonna do this. We're not gonna make it. So guys, I think I'll make a part 2 for this video. So subscribe if you want to see that happening, and I am just gonna stall this for now. Or I'm gonna demolish these. So guys, see you later. Part 2 is gonna be coming tomorrow. Yeah, so peace.